Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel where we talk about everything you need to know about data science, data analytics, machine learning and AI. If this sounds interesting to you, make sure you click on the subscribe button or you follow me for more updates. In this video, I'll take you on a journey on how I went from a blank canvas template to a stunning interactive dashboard. Today we'll unlock the full potential of Power BI, transforming data into beautiful and engaging insights. So let's dive right in. We will start our journey with a blank canvas. As you can see, just like the one right here, it's a perfect blank slate waiting for us to bring our data to life. As we move forward, I'll walk you through the steps, sharing my knowledge and expertise so that you can create your own impressive dashboard with interactive elements. The first step is to gather your data, whether it is from spreadsheets, database, or other sources. Power BI can handle it all. Once you've imported your data, the real magic begins. Next, we'll start building our visualization. Power BI offers a lot of wide range of charts, graphs, and tables to choose from. I'll guide you on selecting the right visualization for your data and how to customize them, making your insights to pop. Now, let's talk about creating relationships between your data. This is where the real power of Power BI comes to play. You learn how to establish connections, create hierarchies, and unleash the full potential of your data. Once your data is structured and your visualizations are ready, it's time to design your interactive dashboard. I'll share tips and tricks on creating visually appealing layout, selecting colors, and adding interactive elements that would engage your audience. Let me know in the comment if you like what you've seen and if you want me to make a more detailed video on the step-by-step process on how I achieved this dashboard. In the meantime, you can check out my YouTube channel on YouTube, Promise AK on YouTube, and to get more details on other videos I've made regarding data science and ways to transition if you're interested in transitioning into data science. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.